Allison here, and in today's video we are going to learn how to use the FileMaker Snapshot Link. It is a really cool and little known feature that is handy both for you and doing your work faster and more effectively and saving your place in a busy day, and also communicating with others on your team about what's happening and what's going on so that you can all be on the same page at the same time. So let's get started. I am looking at a list of orders, and I am going to go ahead and find the orders for January. And I'm using just the one to type the month of the current year, which is the month of the current year. So one would be January of the current year, 2018. And I have 101 orders, and I am interested in just looking at the ones that are in processing. So I'm going to use the shortcut for Modify Last Find. And if you're interested in learning more about that feature, I'll put an info card and a link in the description so that you can see a short video about using the Modify Last Find feature. But for the moment, we're going to go into status and we're going to choose processing, and then hit perform find or enter. And there we have the 15 orders that are currently being processed. And I am getting ready for a meeting for each of the reps to get a status on these orders. And so I am going to constrain the found set to only look at Benjamin Bennett, and that's another great feature. And if you'd like to know more about that, I'll put that in the description below as well. And so now I have Benjamin Bennett as orders that are processing in January. Now, I kind of want to save my place so that I don't have to redo this find when I get in a meeting with Benjamin later. I am going to go under the File menu and choose Save Send Records As, and choose the Snapshot Link option. And I'm going to save these on my desktop, and I'm going to give it a name of January processing, and this will be Ben. And I'll choose save. You can also choose to email. So if rather than getting ready for a meeting, I wanted to go ahead and email Ben to say, hey, what's up with these? It would include the snapshot link in the email. But for the moment, I'm going to put it on the desktop and say save, and there it is. So to show you what this means and what this does, I am going to show all records, right? And I'm on the orders layout just to really give you a feel for what this does. I'm going to switch to a contactless layout. So I'm not even in the orders anymore. And when I click this snapshot link, it's a special file. It has a special extension and it's a special kind. But when I click it, it automatically goes to that layout and that set of found records so that I don't have to re-find anything. So instantly I'm ready for my meeting with Ben about what's happening with his orders that are in processing. And it even gives it the same title that you gave it for your snapshot link, January processing with Ben, and now I'm ready. So I'm going to close this window. And just by way of repetition, I am to get January's orders and processing. I am going to go to Saved Finds and choose one that I already saved, January processing. Again, I'll put a link for that feature in the description below. And I've automatically got all of January processing. And if I now want to do the same thing for Nick, I can choose Constrain Found Set, and then I can go to the File menu and choose Save Send Records As Snapshot Link, and I can call this January processing, and this is Nick. And save, and I can just repeat this process, go under my Save Finds, choose January Processing, and do the final one for Ada, Constrain Found Set, and then File, and Save Send Records As, Snapshot Link, and one last time, January Processing, and Ada. And like that, I am ready for my meeting. If I am someplace else doing something else, you know, and all of the records are found, or I'm in another found set, I'm in the middle of something, it does not matter. I can simply go and click on Nick, and it opens a window with Nick's orders, and we're ready to have a conversation. So I find this to be a fantastic feature that a lot of people aren't aware of, and it can really, really speed up your workflow and speed up communications with people and keep you all on the same page. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, if you could give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more videos like this, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.